Light Singapore, Asia's leading sustainable light festival, to bring to life a multi-sensory light art installation at the festival, Lightwave, Island of Light. Key highlight of the festival lineup this year, which comprises 20 captivating artworks and a host of delightful programs, organized by the Urban Redevelopment Authority, URA, and presented by DBS.
Walk into plastic whale and experience the scale at which this great mammal exists while hearing it breathe in distress. The whale is lit internally by varying colors of lights programmed to come on in intervals, depicting the whale's struggles as it attempts to respire amidst a sea of plastic garbage. Infused with used plastic bottles and other plastic wastes and scraps, this life-size inflatable installation highlights the plight of whales and other aquatic life that are struggling.
Together documents the experience of living in isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic. Inspired by the scenes of housing estates in Singapore, it takes a peek through windows at people's lives and tells stories that can resonate with anyone who has been confined to their homes at some point. By capturing unforgettable and personal moments of adapting to a new normal as a nation, these vignettes reflect how the pandemic has impacted our daily lives.
Moving is a striking ode to running as a form of exercise that helps maintain a balance of mental stimulation and physical fitness. The installation is inspired by chronophotography, an antique photography technique that captures movement in several frames of print before layering them in a single frame to display phases of motion. Spot the frame-by-frame capture of a runner in motion.
Firefly Field, a promontory at Marina Bay, be enchanted by Firefly Field as it simulates the ever-changing bioluminescence of fireflies when they take to the air at dusk. The cleverly designed rhythm of lights in this installation mimics the intermittent flashing pattern of fireflies, which make use of blinking displays to send optical signals and locate potential mates. Flying in an effortless electronic swarm, the alternating light points create a dynamic illuminated scene that triggers curiosity.
Which means blossoming in Latin, is a stunning display of kinetic sculptures made of 100% recycled carbon-neutral polypropylene, framed against the Singapore skyline. Inspired by the natural process of photosynthesis and the aesthetics from Dr. Seuss's books. The soft hues and floral display of lights and shapes, simple yet elegant, set the scene for quiet reflection.
Ka buoy is a visual delight both during the day and night. Made of fully recyclable marine buoys, the buoys reflect light and give off a magical glow in the day. Standing close to 4 meters tall, this installation is positioned in a cluster to create a dynamic light scene on land and a beautiful reflection in the waters.
Mother Earth climate change data sculpture turns mundane data into a stunning visual treat of moving lights, colors and sounds. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, it reimagines publicly available data obtained from local weather recordings along with other environmental statistics into an enjoyable sensory experience for all, while drawing attention to climate change issues.